Welcome back to the channel. So it's me again, Jonas, who likes bikes, cars, SUVs, anything with wheels, outdoors and DIY. Well, I had the bike already dismantled. Well, the fairings dismantled. So I might as well also put on my new thermostat. So I bought a new thermostat, and it's at an 85 degrees Celsius rating. So the fan will turn on earlier as normal. So it's easier when the fairings are off. Well, no, you really have to have the fairings off because you need to, before you remove the thermostat, you need to drain some fluid so we don't have to throw away the fluids, and then we still have to fill it up in the radiator. So you still have to remove the fairing. So let's drain some fluid first. 10 millimeter. Hopefully 2 cups is enough. Take off the radiator cap. This one. Two. Oh, that's a good sign that my system is closed. My cooling system is closed. There's no leak. Because if there's a leak, it won't hold the fluid. It will just drain out immediately. Because I have to remove the radiator cap, then it tells me that the system is closed. So the thermostat is here. It's behind this radiator, the left radiator, and it's a 22 millimeter socket that I'm using. It's quite a tight space. So hopefully we remove enough coolant so we will not make a mess here. Well, I already made a mess. There you go. Here's the old thermostat. So this is rated at me clean this. Rated at 100. So let's put on the new one. 85 degrees. So this will make the fan turn on much earlier. So you don't have to tighten this very tight. Just snug tight, because there's an O-ring. The O-ring should hold the seal, not the tightness. go. And then plug on the wire. So I will eliminate the switch that I made, because I made a switch, but I will still connect this next time, so I can still switch it on demand. There you go. So all I have to do now is to pour the fluid back, and we are done. So let's test it and see what temperature it will turn on.